What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the Crystal Palace. I'm so excited today. We are unboxing the brand new Walt Disney World 50th Vinylmations collection. This is limited release. They have not come out with Vinylmations in years, and I'm a very big Vinylmation collector. I will insert my collection right here. So I'm very excited to open these. These came out on Shop Disney. I got them right away. It is a 24-pack set, and I will get a full set of 12 in here and then 12 other ones as well. So let's get into it. I'm so excited. Vinylmations, if you don't know, they are mystery boxes. So you don't know which Vinylmations you are going to get in the box. It's been a long time since I've opened a mystery box. Reliving my glory days of collecting Vinylmations right now. Okay, I zoomed you guys out a little bit. Let's open her up. Wow. Look at this. Every Vinylmation lover's dream right here. I'm so nervous to open them. It's been a while. Did the boxes get smaller? I think the boxes might have gotten smaller. Let's do this. I always ruin the box. You're never gonna open it perfectly, you know? Right, and here is a little bag that they come in. Vinylmation. My first one is Big Al. Has a little hat. And he's blue. I love it. Does it come with a card? Oh, he comes with the guitar. That is so nice. I've never had a Vinylmation. Oh, no, I've had some with glasses, but okay, it doesn't come with a Vinylmation card, but here it is. My first 50th Vinylmation. Next one up, number 2. I wish these boxes were easier to open. I can't believe I'm opening Vinylmations right now. Like, this is kind of surreal because I thought they were dead and they were never ever gonna come back. But here they are for the 50th. OMG, Pluto! He's so cute. I love this one. This might be one of my favorites. Okay, number 3. Let's see who it is. Oh, Chip or Dale. Oh, wait, it says on the bottom. No. Oh, yeah, it does. Dale. So cute. And what's really cute, too, is on all of these, I'm going to break them before I can even display them. But all the ears have a little fireworks. So it's just like to show that it's the celebration of the 50th, which is really cute. So far, no duplicates. Let's see. Number 4. So I'm wondering if anyone else has purchased this box, if the whole set of 12 is on the top or they mixed it in. So that's something that I'm very curious to see about how they kind of did it, because I've never purchased a Vinylmation box like this before. I usually would just get them in the parks. Also, if you aren't familiar with Vinylmations, what they used to do is that you could trade them, kind of like pins, which was so much fun. You could go into the stores, and if you see one that you like, you were able to trade. All right, this is number 4. Oh, see, we got another Pluto. Interesting. So I guess the whole set is not on the top, which is good to know. Number 5. Here we go. Goofy. Yay. Not another duplicate. He's super cute. Leave me a comment down below if you collected Vinylmations. I definitely did, as you saw. But I'm curious if you guys collected them as well. Number 6. I'm going to show you guys first. Who is it? OMG! He's the cutest! Donald is like my favorite character. I love him. Yeah, this is probably going to be my favorite. Okay, so 6 in. I haven't seen Mickey or Minnie yet, or Daisy, or Chip, or Dumbo, or the pirate, or the chaser. So I'm curious. I haven't seen on Instagram or anything who the chaser is. I'm gonna open it and be like, what is that? Okay, let's do that fun one again where I don't look, because that was fun. Oh, I feel a hat or something. Oh, here's Dumbo. Wait, he kind of looks like a mustard bottle, like the top. But that is super cute. We only have 1 duplicate so far. I don't know if that's lucky or what. Oh my God, here's the pirate guy. Yay! Now, okay, who is this? Skeleton Hemsman, Pirates of the Caribbean. To be honest, I've never seen that movie. Just being honest here, but here he is. Like, this is where it gets exciting, you know, when you need like only a few more to complete your set and you're trying to get them. Oh, I feel a bow. Is it Daisy? Oh, I got so excited. It's Minnie. Yay. I love Vinylmations. Like, they're such good quality too. So they're $15 each if you do the math. This whole box was $3.50. They used to be cheaper, definitely, but the quality of them is really, really good quality. Like, compared to Wishables are $15 as well. I think these are definitely worth it. All right, so this is gonna be interesting because I have 3 left and I have 1 double. So I'm gonna have to go through this whole next row, all these 12, looking for the one that I need. Or I could get 3 more doubles, who knows? Okay. Oh, this is Chip. Here's Chip and Dale next to each other. The difference is they look the same from the back, but super cute. Chip and Dale, so not another duplicate. Getting exciting. Daisy, let's hope it's Daisy, Mickey, or the Chaser. And I feel a hat, so I think it's Big Al. It's Big Al again. Oh man, I'm gonna have to go through all of these to get my last ones. All right, y'all. It's gonna be the luck of the draw, the next 12. But let's open this last one and see. Mickey. Okay, so I'm missing Daisy and the Mystery Chaser. So I have 12 more left to open. I'm either gonna be really lucky and the next 2 I open are gonna be Daisy and the Chaser, or I'm gonna open all 12 of them and get 10 duplicates. Wish me luck. Send good energy my way. Oh no, it's another mini. Another mini. Let's power through this. Goofy. All right, these 2. Come on, Daisy and Chaser. Come on, Daisy. Oh, it worked! Oh my God, yay! If this one's the Chaser, I don't even know what I'll do. I'll be amazed with my psychic powers. Mickey. Close to the Chaser, but no. Dumbo. All right, come on, Chaser energy. We're picking a good one in the spirit of Halloween. No, it's Daisy again. All right, folks, we have 6 left. As you can see, we have 11 Vinylmations. We need 1 more. Will this be it? No, it's Mickey again. And it's not. I don't know, y'all. You guys even want to see it? It's Chip. If this comes down to the last box, 3 to go. Come on, Chaser. Come on, Chaser. And then there were 2. Please. No! Is this going with the Chaser? Is this it? Because this is my last box. Number 24, guys, give this video a big thumbs up because I had to open all 24 just to get this last Chaser. I think that deserves a like. Please, it has to be, right? Come on, I can't be that unlucky that my box doesn't come with one. There he is. Mr. Toad. That is adorable. That is worth it. Wow. Number 24, of course, the very last box I opened, Mr. Toad Vinylmation. This is the Mystery Chaser, guys. I did it. I completed my set of 12. I got 12 that I had to open, duplicates, but I love them. And they're amazing. And it was worth it. Vinylmations, opening them is so much fun. It's just like the mystery boxes. I love anything like mystery packs. You never know what you're gonna get. You never know if you're gonna get duplicates. So this was so fun, and it just like brought me back to the good days of Disney. Comment down below which is your favorite: Mickey, Minnie, Donald, Daisy, Goofy, Pluto, Chip, Dale, Dumbo, Big Al, Pirate, or Chaser, Mr. Toad. Leave me a comment down below which is your favorite. Did you get the Vinylmations? Let me know if I'm the only crazy person that got all them. Now it's time to go put all my Vinylmations away in my display case. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up for my big Vinylmation box, my 24 Vinylmations. Hit that subscribe button and ring that notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Peace.